In this video, I'm going to discuss about a type of multi-stage transistor amplifier. Okay, and we know that there are four types of multi-stage transistor amplifier, and here I'm going to discuss about the RC coupled transistor amplifier. Okay, RC coupled multi-stage transistor amplifier, and here only I'm discussing the two stage. Okay, two stages means we have got this from this to this, it forms first stage. Okay, and from here to here it forms second stage. Okay, this is first stage and this is second stage. That's why it is called as two stage. Okay, so here you can see what are the components present. Vi is the input signal. Okay, we can see that this is the input signal. Okay, we need to amplify this input signal. Then R1, R2 and Re forms the biasing network of first stage. Okay, biasing network of first stage. That means R1, R2 and Re forms the biasing network of first stage. That means why biasing network is done? It is done so that the quiescent point remains fixed. Okay, it doesn't fluctuate, so that it doesn't fluctuate. Similarly, R3, R4 and Re forms the biasing network of second stage. You can see R3, R4 and Re forms the biasing network of second stage. Then we have got a bypass capacitor, bypass Ce as bypass capacitor. What is bypass capacitor? What is the function of bypass capacitor? This bypass capacitor, if this bypass capacitor is not present, you can see that this Ce, if it is not present, then there will be large voltage drop across Re. Okay, so in the absence of Ce, in the absence of Ce, in the absence of Ce, that is bypass capacitor, a large voltage drop, will occur across Re. Okay, and thereby reducing the gain, and thereby reducing, or you can say it will reduce, and thereby it will reduce the gain. Okay, it will reduce the gain from first stage to go to next stage. Okay, the gain will be reduced, which you don't want. That's why Ce is provided, because it provides a low reactance part to the signal, to the AC signal. Okay, next we have got Cc, that is coupling capacitor. Cc as coupling capacitor. What is the function of coupling capacitor? It allows the AC signal to go from first stage to the next stage. Okay, this Cc, that is coupling capacitor, will allow AC signal to go from first stage to next stage, but it will block the DC signal. Why? Because you know that for DC what happens? Nu is equal to 0. There is no frequency in DC current. So this gives, we know that the reactance provided by the capacitor is given by Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi nu C. So this gives, if nu is equal to 0, then what it will be? Xc will be infinite, isn't it? That means for DC, the coupling capacitor will not allow DC signal to go from first stage to the next stage. Okay, I hope it is clear. So these are the components. Now what is the function? We have got an AC signal. Okay, we have got an AC signal here. This AC signal is amplified by the first stage, and this is the amplified output of first stage, and this is further amplified by the second stage, and this is the final output after amplification from the second stage. We can see that the amplified output from the second stage is in phase with that of the input signal. Okay, That is, input signal was this, like this. Okay, the output from first stage we got like this. It is 180-degree phase shift, and the final output from the second stage is this. Okay, this is the output from second stage. Okay, and this is the output from first stage, and this is the input signal. We can see that the input signal is in phase with the output from the second stage. Okay, so what how it is working? So we have got an input signal. It is amplified by the first stage, and then it is again amplified by the next stage. Okay, so since we have got two stages, so we will get the output after the second stage. Okay, I hope you have understood this function of RC coupled transistor amplifier. For any doubt, you can comment me in the video, in my YouTube video. Thank you.